Which this rope ain't serving me no purpose anyway, not anymore. Because it's about 7 foot below me. But I ain't got to go much further. So what I'm going to do is, tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to get back down here in a good position. I'm going to take my bag off. That wind is blowing. Hang my bag right there. Put me a little slack right there. Get in a position to top it. Tell you what, I ain't far from topping it. Yeah, I might not even need to get these limbs off and look at it. She's pulling, that wind is pulling. I do believe I'm going to top it. Let it come back down through here. You can see the wind is blowing hard that way. More these stupid vines. Get my rope up here like so. Give me some pushing power just in case I need it. There I go with perfect again. Ain't nobody perfect, ain't nothing perfect. So why I would ever said it. It's a good cut. That's all I can say. Folks, my brother's working with a lot larger tree. Bigger limbs. I let him work on that one. So I can do both of these. Yep. All right, when you top it, then I'm gonna hook my stuff back up. Yep. I'm gonna block this out while you're putting your bed and stuff in it. Got a little high on this side. A 1/4 inch. Kind of looks funky. See if I can get y'all a good shot. The wind is blowing. You can actually see where the needles of the pine tree is done blown so hard that they're blowed over. And you're gonna put that top back in there by my top for that first tree that I did. And I'm gonna chunk some chunks out of this, and then I'm gonna swing back over, and I'm gonna drop another chunk out of that because it's gonna hit the neighbor's fence over there if I drop it right there where it's at. Cold morning, 39 degrees, 37 degrees or something like that here in South Louisiana. That's pretty chilly down here. I ain't complaining, I love the cold weather, but it's got my joints. I'm feeling my age. Feeling my age today. Yep. I don't ever rush nobody, folks. My brother's been climbing for 9 or 10 years, and he's basically self-taught himself. There he goes. Good job. Good job. As I was saying, I don't rush nobody when they're in a tree. My brother's been climbing for, I don't know, 7, 8, 10 years. But he's